Hi, it's Nicole from Cricut. We've introduced you to Infusible ink projects in previous Cricut Learn videos. Now we're going to show you a great technique to layer or use multiple colors in one project by using a technique called Slice and Set. I created this fun foraging gift basket with multiple Infusible ink projects and shared it in the Cricut community. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to find projects in the community as well as the slice and set technique we used to make this tote. Then, in the final video, we'll show you techniques for using Infusible ink pens and markers to create these coasters. Along the way, we'll share tips and tricks for Infusible ink that can be used across other blanks. So, let's get started.